Like this?
No, like this.
Good? Is that good?
Okay. Okay, start it off.
Am I supposed to look at there?
Yeah.
Oh. Right there?
Yeah.
Right there?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Okay. And welcome to Jay's Play.
Welcome to Jay Play, and today we have Jay's dad.
Hey.
And we're going to show you his other Voltron toys.
Vehicle Force. Vehicle Force.
Vehicle and Land Force.
And Sea Force.
Yeah.
It's 3 different parts of Voltron, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's cool.
Yeah, this is a bigger one than the one. You guys didn't see that video? Go on YouTube and then you'll see it.
Jay's Play. Fun and Kids videos.
Okay, let's show them the first ones. It's the helicopters.
What happens when you turn those? Let's stick his tail up in here. Alright, what do we add? Let's see here.
Okay.
Which one do you want? Put the hands on these, right?
I want this. Okay.
Which one? Which one do I get?
Blue.
I forget. It's been a long time. That one?
Yeah.
There we go.
Okay. Now this is where the red puncher goes. And both of these can shoot out its puncher like this. And the driver sits in the... Actually, the driver sits in there now,
You know,
not the head.
The cool thing about all these vehicles is they have little places at the top that makes them look like where the drivers would sit. So like in the front of the helicopter, and then up at the top like that, and then right there is where the driver would sit.
Yeah.
So each of these, like this right here, there's a spot right there where the driver would sit in this one. Look here. And right there,
Yeah.
and then all that right there, that right there. Each of them have a little place for the drivers to sit in.
Just like cars.
Now where would they sit in this one? Where do you think they'd sit in this one?
I would think they will sit right here.
Okay. Alright,
Okay.
what's next?
These same.
We're going to do the legs, or are you going to do the top part first?
These are gonna be these. Oh, we're gonna start with these first.
Alright, let's start with the bottom. The feet first.
Okay. These are the cars. They are mega
over here.
tactile. Get back
old are
over
these?
here.
How old are these cars?
1983. No, 1982. How old is that? How old is that? 1982. I see. How old is that?
1982. Older than my mom.
And, well, not older than Daddy.
Yeah.
How old was Daddy when I was 5 years old.
Ooh.
Wow. That's old, isn't it?
I bet you couldn't understand the number or couldn't see it when you was a kid.
No, I probably couldn't. It says made in Japan, though. Pretty cool. I bet it's worth something then. Alright, let's sit them down. Ready? What do we do next?
Ooh, let's get this.
Alright.
Wait, this is mine.
That's yours? Okay.
Okay, these are the front loader cars, and this is how you transform them. You push that in, and then you transform this, and then you do this. Okay, let's
Slide over
slide
the
them in.
Now make sure to put the stabilizer out so it stands up good.
Yes, put the
Stabilizer back in the
out.
back.
See this? That's the stabilizer, and that helps it stand.
Alright, stick them together here.
Okay.
Alright, what's next?
Okay. Ooh.
These right here, right?
Yeah.
Which one's yours?
Mine's the yellow touch.
Alright.
Okay. Now here's this, and now it goes like this. Oh, let's get this and fix it. It keeps coming off from my eye. Oh, mine's not fitting.
It is old.
Ugh.
Maybe it helps if you say form legs.
Form legs. There, that's a little hard.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
Alright, next.
Ooh, let's start with it.
And
Okay.
what do you do to make this one work?
Turn it over like this, and then you push this button all the way in like that, and then you have this.
Which is the belt, right?
Yeah, the belt.
All right. Sit on top of the legs.
Wait, let's do this.
Oh, we gotta do that first?
Yeah, let's do this.
Now that's like a submarine.
This is the submarine.
Okay.
Okay, how do you transform this? Oh,
Push the
don't
middle
need
down.
Huh?
Push the middle down. There you go.
Like that?
Yep.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now, what did it do?
That's it. Stick it in there now.
Okay, let's stick that in right here.
All right, now stick
Look
it on.
at this.
That's cool, isn't it?
Wait, we have to finish with this body.
Oh, okay.
And now here's the train. See this?
Mm-hmm.
Is it supposed to be like this
Like
or
that.
this?
Like that. See, it's cool when it's by itself. It can go sideways, or it can kind of go that way.
Or we can do this.
Mm-hmm.
We'll do this. Or do this. Or do this.
All right, let's put it together.
Okay, let's put this together now.
Voltron's got to save the world.
Yeah.
Got to defend the universe.
How is it going to do it?
Oh,
Oh my god.
open the garage door. Right there.
Yeah. Okay, garage door is open. Now let's put that on. If you guys didn't see,
Got it.
if you guys didn't see, the sink opened while it was upside down. And now watch this. Whee! Vroom, vroom.
All right, ready? Form, feet, and legs.
Wait,
Ah,
we have one more piece to go on here.
okay. That's like a space shuttle, isn't it?
It's a spaceship, but guys, we have to wait for this part. We have to wait for this part.
Is it the last part?
Yeah,
Okay.
we'll transform that at the end of this video. Okay? So now it's time to do the arms. Now let's put the arms in. This arm like that. And now it's time for this one. There we go. And now this is time. Now it's time for this.
All right.
Whoa.
And he's tall, isn't he?
And look,
Super cool.
okay, wait. Let's transform this.
All right.
Face is right inside there.
Whoa.
See the yellow eyes?
I see 'em. Too cool.
Okay, let's compare them and see how big they are to this.
Okay, tell us which is which and what year they were made.
All right. So this is Voltron Vehicle Force, and it's 1982. This one right here is actually also, this one's 1981. And both are in actually pretty good shape, aren't they?
Yeah,
Look how
at
much
it.
taller Vehicle Force is.
Yeah.
But they still both are the defender of the universe, right? Let's shake hands, ready? Shake hands.
Sorry. Here we go. I'm gonna
All right.
go in there again. I'm gonna shoot you.
Oh, we don't fight each other.
Oh no, let's go down.
All right, we ready?
Okay, let's put this back on.
Where's Jay's mom? Did Jay's mom find the other hand? Where'd he go?
I think he fell into a sand pit. We'll have to find
Oh
him
no,
later.
he went into a sand pit.
I'll go find him.
Oh, let's find him after we go.
Okay. Okay. So this is all for this video with Jay's dad and Jay's John. So let's have a good video. And now it's time to say goodbye. Have a Jay's Play day and look out for this one.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe and have a good video. Goodbye.